now, give it to me. Oh yeah.
Hey everybody, Boone White with Fix It Furniture here. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today we're going to be restoring, or refinishing rather, this old Victorian style piano stool. This was very common in the early 20th century, maybe even late 19th century. You would see a lot of these. It has the adjustable seat for players of different heights. If you have a really short person playing at the piano like me, you would want to swivel this all the way down. You get a tall person, you can adjust it all the way up. And voila, you've got a seat that works for everybody. So if I'm looking at this correctly, it looks like it might be made out of walnut. And overall, we're just going to give this a nice refinish. We're gonna blast the finish off of the legs and get a nice fresh coat on those. As you see here, it's got this really beautiful detail of these metal cast legs. If I'm not mistaken, these were probably brass plated at one point and had a really nice brass finish. So I don't know that we'll do that. We'll probably just clean them up per the customer request and see how they look. But other than that, really beautiful stool. It's got some beautiful vertical fluted legs, consistent with East Lake Victorian style. So really looking forward to working on this stool. If you want to watch us refinish this, stay tuned and let's see how we go about it. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching us refinish this beautiful antique Victorian stool. As you saw, a pretty simple process. We blasted it, cleaned it up, stained it, and clear coated it. So if you got any questions whatsoever, feel free to comment below. We're really good about getting back to folks, so we'd love to chat with you if you have any questions. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and most importantly, if you want to see future videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, and you'll receive future video updates anytime we upload a video. So thanks again for tuning in, and we hope to see y'all in the future.